Hi friends, our today's video is about career opportunity in pharmacy. So this video is useful for the students and their parents to the selection or to better selection of their career as a pharmacy profession. So first of all, my video content is what is pharmacy, career scope in pharmacy, career option in pharmacy, and pharmacy courses and their eligibility. Okay, first of all, what is pharmacy? It is simply said the art, practice and profession of preparing, preserving and compounding and dispensing of medical drugs. What is meant by preparing? It is the simple art, or we can say practice, for the preparation of different pharmaceutical dosage forms. Okay, what are dosage form or pharmaceutical dosage form? That's are the tablet, capsule, or the injectables, or the oral solutions, or etc. Then next, what is meant by preserving? How to preserve, or it is the also art to preserve for the different prepared pharmaceutical dosage or pharmaceutical dosage forms. Okay, so nextly, the compounding. What is compounding? Or compounding is a practice for the dispensing of the medicament into particular mixing format, or preparing just before the dispensing. Okay, that's the compounding. And lastly, dispensing of medical drugs, or the we can say simply storekeeper sells their medicament or the prepared dose. Okay, afterward we have to learn about what is the scope, or what are the scope of the pharmacy career. Okay, in government sector there are the different scopes like drug inspector, drug controller, drug analyst, academic, or as a pharmacist in government sector. Nextly, when we talk about pharmacy sector or pharmacy profession in private sector, that's the pharmaceutical industry, research, marketing, academic, pharmacist again, and medical representative. And lastly, we career scope as a own business. So medical shop, we can open the medical shop, or medical distributor, or as a scientific writer. What are the different options after pharmacy? Okay, there are the two, or we can simply broadly describe into three. That's first one is pharmacy career in government sector, secondly pharmacy career in private sector, and thirdly your own businesses. Okay, first of all, the government jobs. We talk about one by one descriptively in next. Okay, firstly government jobs, second one is pharmacist in private hospital, clinical research, academics, drug manufacturing, QA and QC, research development, branding and sales promotion, abroad opportunities, and start medical store or distributor. Okay, firstly career option in pharmacy. First we talk about the government jobs. First one job is drug inspector, drug controller, drug analyst, and academic and pharmacist. These are the different jobs which are given by the different government, that we can talk about the central government, or about by the state government. Okay, these are the some jobs which are offered by the government. Okay. Secondly, we talk about the pharmacist in private hospital and retail chain, or okay, we can say retail store. In that, hospital pharmacist, clinical pharmacist, or retail pharmacist. Next, these about the pharmacist. Okay. Next, the career in clinical research. This is the now clinical research is very emerging field. That's after the B Pharm or M Pharma. Okay, that's the clinical research coordinator, clinical research assistant, clinical research officer, clinical research scientist. These are the different posts which can get after your B Pharma or after your M Pharma. Okay. Afterward, the academic job by government also or in private. Okay, that's the lecturer, assistant professor, associate professor, professor or principal of different pharmaceutical or pharma colleges. Okay, pharmacy colleges. Next, career in drug manufacturing. Okay, drug manufacturing means your pharmaceutical industry. Okay, pharmaceutical manufacturing industry. In that, the warehouse, production, quality, packaging, and regulatory are the different departments which gives the career opportunity for the pharmacy graduates or the pharmacy diploma holders. Next, QA and QC. These are also two jobs or two career options after B Pharma or after M Pharma. So these are the quality control and quality assurance departments in the pharmaceutical industry. Nextly, research and development. The post like research fellow, we can also talk that junior research fellow or senior research fellow, then research scientist and formulation developer. These are the post in research and development department in also pharmaceutical industry. Okay. Next is branding, sales and promotion. What is branding and sales and promotion? It's simply the work of medical representative to promote their business or to increase the business of the pharmaceutical company. So that's the business develop management, or the last post is sales executive. Okay, these are the different jobs for the branding and sales promotion. Second last point is abroad opportunities. In abroad countries, the hospital pharmacist, retail pharmacist or pharmaceutical industry also gives the better opportunity to work for their company as a pharmacy graduates. Okay. In last, the medical store and distributors. You can open your own medical store, or you can start the firm as a distributor or the distributor of the different pharmaceutical product. So next, what are the different courses and their eligibilities? Okay, we firstly talk about the different courses for the pharmacy profession or the courses in the pharmacy. Okay, first of all, diploma in pharmacy. Diploma in pharmacy is 2-year full-time diploma. Okay, so you have to pass the 12th exam and then you go for the diploma in pharmacy 2 years course. That's the also full-time course. Bachelor of Pharmacy, it is also after 12th, but you have to pass the entrance examination. Okay, we talk about that later on, what are the descriptive eligibilities, but this is also 4-year course and 3-year course after completion of D Pharm. It's also full-time degree course. It is next one is Master of Pharmacy. It also required 2 years for completion. It also full-time master course after B Pharma. And lastly, Doctor of Pharmacy. It is a 6-year course after 12th and 3-year course after B Pharma. It is also full-time doctorate course. Next, we talk about the eligibilities of these already discussed courses. What are the eligibilities? First eligibility, or we can talk about the eligibility of the pharmacy diploma. Diploma in pharmacy require student must have passed the 12th examination with some subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics or biology. Okay, and secure minimum 50% aggregate. Okay, next, Bachelor of Pharmacy. Student must have passed the 12th with physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, securing minimum 50%, and admission process is through the entrance examination. D Pharmacy students can also get admission in B Pharma direct second year, which having the minimum 60% aggregate in D Pharma course, okay, or diploma in pharmacy. Then Master of Pharmacy. Student must have passed the Bachelor of Pharmacy and the admissions also through the entrance examination. Last, Doctor of Pharmacy. Student must have passed the 12th with physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, securing minimum 55%. Student must have passed Bachelor of Pharmacy, secure minimum 50%, and both admissions through the entrance examination. So I described this Doctor of Pharmacy. It is we can say a new course for after 12th. That's after 12th it requires the physics, chemistry, biology or mathematics and minimum securing minimum 55%. Okay, but that qualification or eligibility, we can say, for the diploma it is 50%, and doctor of pharmacy require 55%. After B Pharma, when you complete or when student complete their B Pharma, they also can apply for the Doctor of Pharmacy. For that minimum they secure 50% marks in B Pharma. Okay, so best wishes for your career and career selection. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.